Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So my name is Efri Haryanto. Now I'm living in Germany, but I'm used to live in Bali for 8 years before, and I came from East Java. I was working in Bali for like 8 years, and Bali is my second home. So I do really miss Bali, and today I would like to sharing with you how to have a good trip in Bali for like 6 until 7 days, where to stay, what to do, what to visit, and how you can make your stay in short days is really completely in the right person to see almost everything in Bali. I mean, to see everything in Bali, to enjoy Bali, you need to live there at least for months, 2 months, 3 months. Then you can really enjoy every single things. But if you only have like 7 days holiday in Bali, especially not another island, only in Bali, so that it will be really perfect schedule for you. Or even if you have only like 5 days, you can squeeze the schedule and you can have like wonderful holiday in Bali. I do really miss Bali. So let's start. So first day when you arrive, on your arrival days is I don't know what time you arrive. It's like mostly flight from Europe that arrive really in the middle of the night or early in the morning or in the afternoon or late afternoon. So let's say not counting the first the arrival days. So I would advise you where you to stay. There is 3 options. You can stay in Seminyak or Kuta, that is a sunset area, or you can stay in Nusa Dua or Jimbaran. Jimbaran is also sunset area. It's really nice on your arrival days is to have like really relaxing time, relaxing days, and if you arrive a little bit late afternoon, you can have enjoy a sunset and walking on the beach. Or if you arrive in late of night or middle of the night, is really good because there is a just short driving from the airport to Seminyak, Jimbaran, Kuta or Nusa Dua. So it's really perfect area to stay. Don't stay at the arrival days in Ubud or somewhere to the east. Is because it will really like wasting your time and it's really tiring because sometimes the immigration take a long time and until you get out from the airport. Let's say you already arrive, you have a good sleep, maybe you still like a little bit jet lag, but let's say the first day is really good if you stay in Jimbaran, Kuta, Seminyak or Nusa Dua. Just do relaxing time, walking around close to the hotel, and maybe just beach time, sunset time, have a nice dinner. So it's just to recover from long trip to Bali. So that will be really good advice. And then the second day you can make 1 day tour. So there is 2 options to do 1 day tour. You can like if you able to drive a motorbike is really better because with motorbike is faster because the traffic in Bali is a little bit a lot. And but if you cannot drive with motorbike or you worry to get lost, I mean is able to find anything on Google Map now on. But the second option, you can hire 1 day trip travel. So like hire a driver and a car is include petrol. It's like mostly like 10 hours until 12 hours. So the cost is mostly around like $40 for 1 day trip. So the first day I will advise you to do the trip to south of Bali. So you can visit Garuda Wisnu Kencana, and then you can go to Pandawa Beach. It's really beautiful beach with long white sand. It's really beautiful. I love there. And then after that you can visit Uluwatu Temple, and there you can, if you have like a lot of time and you want to spend time there, you can like have a very beautiful sunset from the top of the mountain with the ocean view. And then even you can see Kecak dance, is a Balinese dancing, but it will be quite late. Or you can do is like you have a dinner in Jimbaran. Okay, in Jimbaran is quite expensive place for tourists. But if you know, that is a little bit secret that I can share with you. You can buy a food with like a one package. So last time when I was there on January, it was one package for one person. It's not include drink. It was like $10. No, not $10. $12. So it's like 160,000 rupiah. So that is the trick to have a very nice dinner with a really beautiful sunset and in really fancy area, and it's really famous area for romantic dinner, and you don't have to spend so much money. So the second day is done, and then now is your day 3. So what you can do is you can hire one day tour again with a car, or you travel by yourself with a bike. So from, let's say you stay in Seminyak or Kuta or Jimbaran, if you hire one day tour a car, it's like you can traveling to the middle of Bali to Ubud, but don't go to your hotel directly. So you can use this tour on the way to Ubud to visit like Gunung Kawi Temple, you can visit Tirta Empul Temple, or you can visit Kintamani from the top of the mountain, and the last stop you can visit Tegalalang rice field. So it will be really a good trip, and then after Tegalalang directly to your hotel in Ubud. So your one day is full, and you save some money for the transportation, and it will be really nice. So compared to from Seminyak to Ubud directly without visiting anything, it will be wasting your money and your time, because on the way from Seminyak to Ubud area you can visit a lot of tourist area. So now you are in Ubud already, you have a good sleep, it's your day 4. What you can do, you can just like explore Ubud Center. If you can't drive, you can do a lot of walking area in Ubud Center. Your one day fully just will be like flies, because in Ubud is really beautiful. You can visit the Grand Palace of Ubud, and then next to the Grand Palace you can visit the Ubud Art Market. After Ubud Art Market you can visit Monkey Forest. It's easy to spend, it's like hours there. So, and then another thing is you can visit Pura Taman Saraswati. The place is close to the Grand Palace of Ubud. Actually you just need to walk to the Starbucks direction, and behind the Starbucks there is the Pura, and you can have a very nice beautiful view there. If you want, you even can buy a ticket for like a traditional Balinese dancing in the evening, and you can have dinner in Lotus Cafe. It's a really nice place. So, and then you can, if you have more time, you can walk to the Jambuhan Right Walk. It's really nice view there. Another like a natural view. So everything is just like walking area. So it's like a spot day, because you will do a lot of walking. So that is your 4th day. So 4 days in Ubud, everything you already see, and then maybe it's quite stressy with all the schedule, but I think I'm sure you will enjoy it, because that is like not really like push you to do anything. It's just like you squeeze something there. And then the 5th days you can go back to south of Bali, that is close to Airport. It's like you can choose the option. If you already live in Seminyak, if you already stay in Seminyak when you arrive, you can move to Nusa Dua. It's more like a relaxing area. Or if you want to have a party, you can move like to Seminyak, or to Kuta, or to Legian, or to Canggu. Now Canggu is one of the new place for party. Or if you really want just to have like a beautiful sunset, a cocktail, and nice restaurant, I will advise you in Seminyak. Seminyak have really beautiful nice restaurant. It's close to the beach. The price of the hotel is not that expensive. A lot of time when I visit Bali, now on I live in Germany, so when I visit Bali I always stay in Legian area. I can have like for 5 until 7 days, 7 nights in the hotel for like around $120, include breakfast for 2 people. So the price is quite makes sense. So what you can do in the last 2 days, You can just relaxing, enjoying the beach, enjoying the pool if the hotel have a pool, and maybe you can go to the like night market, food night market in Seminyak or in Legian. There is a lot of night market, so you can try Indonesian or Balinese food. If you don't like, if you want to try to something new, or you can go to just go to the beach, enjoy the beer, the sunset. That's mostly what I do. And because I'm still Asian, I do really love to go to cinema because in Germany it's quite expensive. So when I'm in Bali, I will do for sure it's like 2-3 times going to the cinema because it's cheaper compared to here. So that is your 5-6 days already. So the last day you can just pack and go to airport and fly to your next destination. So I hope this video can help you a little bit how you can make a schedule for your holiday in Bali. So if you have any question, you can write me in a comment, and then I'm sure I will able to answer your question. So thank you very much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, see you for another things about Bali because I do really love Bali. Thank you very much. Vielen Dank. Tschüss.